Yeah, I did. Yeah. Fozia, go. Now your turn.
Yeah, it was good. It was longest workshop in my life.
Yep.
Yes,
So it's
it was
coming.
good.
It will be coming
Yeah.
like this more.
It was good. It's more understandable than before.
Okay,
Yeah.
that's good.
But
And
second part is little complex for me because I'm behind the postman part.
you guys
That's
don't
why.
need to do the complex part. Those are not your scope. And those nobody will even those are not developer scope either. Those are the QA part. That's the
Okay.
reason they learned the tool. You are, as Pranta said, you learn the creating the collection and the segregate, like the separate the collection by the user story, positive, negative. Those part you should be able to do. There is no excuse. Writing part you should be able to do because everybody is writing the user the test case is based on your user story. So there is no like the excuse acceptable there. Make sense?
Yes, but
So
it was
those
good.
okay. Okay.
Good.
Any suggestions? Any advice?
I just have a question.
Sure.
I have a question.
Go ahead.
I was checking technical test questions, and we have a technical test. Maybe next one. It has like all Newman stuff, GitHub, and I
You
don't
don't
know. I
just pass it.
never watched any workshop video. How would
Or just simply say
but
I'm
I
from the.
thought that I have to. I'm sorry. Yeah, go ahead.
I got your question. I got it. Just simply type I'm from the product owner team. I do not need to this. Thank you. That's it. That's your answer.
Like so many questions. It's not just one question. It's so many questions about that same thing.
You ask me the problem, I gave you the solution. Just copy and paste. Our team will know. That's it. Just say I am from product owner team. This is not in my scope. This is only for the QA. That's the has been mentioned in the workshop by Shiblu and Panto. And then everybody will accept your answer. Our team will accept your answer. Good?
Sure.
Thank you. Anything else?
I have a question, Shiblu bhai.
Go ahead.
For the Jenkins parts, like as a product owner, do we really have to put some focus on it, or what is it?
You're learning that Jenkins does a lot of things for you. That Jenkins does the deployment. From the Jenkins is the build tools, and Jenkins a lot of automation run. That's all you need to know. You don't need to know anything else. Your scope is Jenkins is a Jenkins using the Jenkins server. The code can be built and code can be deployed. The automation can be run. So many things, and this done by the QA team, development team, and the DevOps team.
Okay.
But you cannot just say I never heard Jenkins, and that's the problem.
No.
That's why we expose you all the tools. You just need to draw the line. Where is your scope is?
Okay. That was my question. Thank you.
Yep. Anything else?
No, not from me. I don't know about other members.
Okay.
I just have to ask about what the new task you gave me.
Good. Can you repeat again, please?
I have to ask about the new task you gave me.
Which one?
You sent an enrollment team.
Oh, so this is the one we are evaluating now. Because since you cannot wake up in the morning, so we gave the access to Fahmid. If he likes it, Aisha wants to do this. I asked her that Aisha, it goes with the product owner more. She said I'm okay, but she's very passionate about it because she knows the building, the communication, and the team building activities is the most powerful in the software development team. So I said I want to give them a chance. If they say they are not willing to or they are not able to do this efficiently, then you can take over. So Fahmid has the video. He'll look at it, and then if he says it's not in his screen, he's not able to commit, then Aisha will be doing it. And the Takia will be doing after she joined from January 2nd, because she is our dedicated member as well.
Okay.
Did I answer your question?
You did. What is the part about need many questions or challenges?
Can you repeat again?
You said in the task, like need many questions or challenges. What do you mean by that?
Understood. So nowadays, except Aisha, none of the operation team from offshore team, they do not write them down. So that's a concern. You need to write, hey, this person did not answer, or the phone number is wrong, or this person asked this question, then any question. So they need to record them. Record means they need to put them into Excel. So some of the answer we can answer, some of the question we can answer in the webinar if they don't know, or some of the people I can call to answer their question. It is not happening now. That means it is a broken process currently. And Aisha said that's a concern. We are spending so much. We have over 500 the leads. We are not doing things properly. So this is the reason I said, write down question, write down concern, and write down notes in the Excel before you start the call, after starting your call, after you're done, before you're done. Good?
Yeah, and it's the Excel that Aisha shared in the chat, right?
Yes.
She created an Excel sheet for it?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. That's it?
And if someone is not interested, they're sent to marketing. So what if they don't pick up? What do you do with them?
Marketing.
They also go to the marketing?
Yes. If someone said they are not interested, then not interested. That's, you already know that. That is the option. If they are not picking up, right? Just say the marketing.
That's what I did. Okay.
Okay, good. So make sure. So your goal is to make sure the team members are following the process. Okay.
I think that's something we need to put it on, like who should be put in which category based on what
Yes.
conditions.
Everyone knows
they
just need to act upon on the outcome. Everyone knows. If they don't know it, you can remind them. Okay, you can remind them.
I can send something like a text, and I can put all the categories and who should be put where, and I can pin it down on the channel, and they can always go back.
Sure.
Check.
Exactly, you can. Exactly. So one of the most important part nowadays, many product owner, after a feature go live, a product owner actually take the responsibility to make sure the operation team is using properly. Operation team raise the question. Operation team is provide the experience of that feature. So you bring all of this to the product team again, development team again. So development team is start fixing them, and that's the reason I put both of you. And eventually Farhana will go as well. So this is that's the very important part of the being a product owner. Okay. So you are part of the development team. Another part, you are actually leading that feature and getting the experience from the users. In this case, user is operation team, correct?
Yes.
So yep, that's the reason. Okay. Ask the other question in that group, in not this group anymore. Okay, Pranto, let's start. Thank you. You can stop the recording and start the new recording. I'm done. Thank you, guys.
Thank you. Pronto, can I talk to you after this meeting ends when the recording is done?